Vamos lá, começar mais uma gameplay. Vamos lá. E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de 007 First Light. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem o like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord, participem da Twitch. E hoje galera, vai começar mais uma campanha aqui de 007 First Light, de James Bond. Na última parte, a gente estávamos fazendo uma missão no hotel na Eslováquia, né? Hoje nós vamos continuar aqui de onde nós parou. Um dos melhores amigos do James Bond morreu, né? Morreu. E hoje nós vamos continuar de onde nós parou. Vamos continuar aqui o modo história. Vamos continuar aqui. Renascido das cinzas, o nome da missão. A missão da Eslováquia foi um completo fracasso, né? Nós estávamos indo atrás do 009. O 009 escapou. E apesar dos esforços de Bond, uma bomba foi detonada, matando metade dos recrutas. Bond retornou ao MI6, né, a sede, a agência. Depois do funeral de seus amigos, e foi informado por M que ele e John Greenray terão de ir à Mauritânia para caçar o 009. É o que a gente vai fazer agora, né? Caçar o 009. E agora a gente está aqui nos laboratórios do MI6, na parte para preparar o bonde para Mauritânia. Eu acho que nós vamos aí na Mauritânia. Vamos lá começar essa missão.
So one more round of prototyping on the pen, quick as you can.
We'll get right on it.
Ah, Bond. Good to see you.
Bond, olha lá.
Walk with me.
Mas primeiramente, calma aí. Fale com K. Antes da gente falar com K, calma aí. Vamos ver que tem novidade aqui. Vamos ver. Tá bloqueado, né? O que eles estão fazendo aqui? Ó, a cientista, esqueci o nome dela. Ah, é verdade, eu não tô com meu relógio, né? Ele foi perdido no avião. Quando tava em explosão no hotel lá na Eslováquia. enquanto não tem nenhuma interação, né?
I know it's ridiculous, but I always imagine Monroe riding the
Pilotando a
250X.
250X.
It's a dangerous game, Hal. You mustn't get attached.
I know that. Was this all for naught then? You think they'll shut the program back down?
Over M's dead body. But they'll try, though. Brighton his lot. Best we can do is continue what we're doing. It's out of our hands.
Suppose. So,
Olha, o
That
braço
job's
tá
a
me
mess.
seguindo.
I'm up for that.
O braço tá me seguindo, ó. Tem um sensor. Você se aproximando dele. Não tem nenhuma interação com os personagens aqui.
It absorbs 99.96% of all light that falls on it.
So, it's black.
99.96% of all light.
Got it. It's really black.
Hey, move, man.
Sorry. Didn't mean to.
Looking hot, Monty.
I don't need an infrared scanner to
Que
tell
é
me
isso?
that.
Que
If
eles
you
estão
get the
fazendo?
dependencies and image lag down, it will be a sweet addition to the AR feature set.
That's the kind of thing Dr. Tan in TAC Sims would really go for. Hey, come out from behind there.
Look at the readings. The scanner says he's hotter than you, Monty. And it's right,
Tá
too.
certo. O scanner. Vou falar com o K. Olha só.
I missed you at the service.
Vamos lá.
Yes, I
Vou na-
kept to
Sim,
the
eu
back.
estava no fundo.
Never did like funerals. All that black. Hell of a thing, what happened. I'm so sorry you
Ah,
must
viver com a
carry
perda
it
do
with
melhor
you.
amigo, né?
Be okay. You were a fine lot. I know you make them proud.
Vamos preparar
Não.
você para a ação.
Let's
Bonde,
get you
né?
field ready.
Sounds good.
Eu perdi meu relógio.
Lost my watch.
Ah, perdi meu
I
relógio.
forgive you.
Eu
Just
perdoo você,
this
só
once.
dessa vez. Perdeu verdadeiro,
Identity
verdade. Perdemos
verified.
nosso relógio.
What's in there?
We do thorough stress and durability tests on all field equipment before it is cleared for
É
mission use.
equipamento de campo.
Most happen in this room, hence the extra security layer.
Pegue o relógio K. Ah, agora temos um novo relógio mesmo, né? Outro.
Quite clever, what you did back on the plane. How did you know the watch had a tracker?
Olha lá.
That's the 21st century, Q.
É, o século 21
My
K.
toaster has a
Até mesmo
tracker.
quando você
Fair
tem um
point.
rastreador.
And I assume you've worked out how to
Obrigado,
switch it
correto.
off as well.
And time will tell.
I thought as much. Oh, and Bond,
Ah, ótimo.
One more
Mais
thing.
uma coisa. Seu novo
your new
fone de ouvido.
earpiece.
Opa, fone de
Bone
ouvido.
conductive microphone. You attach it directly to the skin, ultra thin, virtually undetectable.
Opa, o que temos aqui? Ah, vamos ver o arsenal. Vamos preparar os equipamentos bons, ó. Isso aqui é o arsenal dos equipamentos. Vamos ver que brinquedinho novo o cara nos tem agora.
Before you go, there are some new items of field equipment you might be interested in. Follow me.
Vamos para cama de teste dispositivo. Eu tô com meu relógio de volta.
Mind back on the job, Bond. At last. Now, would you like to see what we have for you? Bond, where do you think you're going?
Obrigado, cara. Eu tô com outro relógio.
You're back? Then let's get a wriggle on. There are a couple of new pieces that are going through final testing ahead of field certification. I thought you might like to give them the once over. There's nothing you can use over there. If you're done wandering about, Bond, I have something to show you. There are a couple of new pieces that are going through final testing ahead of field certification. I thought you might like to give them the once over.
Calma aí, ô.
Mind back on the job, Bond. At last. Now, would you like to see what we have for you? Ahead of his next excursion, I thought we might show Bond our latest creations.
Of course, Q. The laser strap and flash mine have just passed final certification.
Excellent.
Oh, da hora.
Come and take a look.
Qual novo brinquedo temos agora?
The laser strap has a multitude of uses, from blinding an enemy to disrupting complex electronics. Not quite a death ray, but we're getting there. Give it a try.
Experimente. Deixa eu ver. Bracelete de laser. O bracelete de laser dispara um feixe direcionado com capacidade para desarmar ou cegar temporariamente o inimigo. Ah, bem como perturbar equipamentos eletrônicos. Ah, esse é o bracelete de laser do Meu Pix. Ah. Aperte X para disparar o laser.
Nicely done. It can also disarm hostiles.
Legal.
That's it, Bond. Perfect for when you don't want to attract unwanted attention.
Vamos ver. Use o laser em um adversário para cegá-lo temporariamente. Você também pode usar o laser para cortar objetos do ambiente, como fios, barris de metal e algumas fechaduras físicas. Ah, da hora. Ah, o laser ele serve para isso, né? Novo equipamento, onda de choque.
I'll take anything that gets me closer to 009.
We aim to please. But that's not all. Over here we have the flash mine.
A mina de atordoamento. Vamos ver.
The flash mine uses molecular bonding to...
Vamos ver aqui, mina de atordoamento. Reduz um clarão ofuscante que atordoa momentaneamente os oponentes. Utiliza ligação molecular para aderir a qualquer superfície acionada por proximidade.
Here to any surface and operates on a proximity trigger. Just the thing if you need to cover your escape or leave someone a nasty surprise.
Para alguém.
Give it a try.
Deixa eu ver. Eita porra!
Very good. Now throw it at the static target and you'll see the proximity trigger in action. Try it. Come now, Bond. Given recent events, do you really think I'd deactivate the failsafe? You've got the hang of them. I must say, you are a remarkably fast kinesthetic learner.
Vamos ver como funciona. A mina de atordoamento se prende a uma superfície e detona quando próxima de um inimigo. Opa, esse aqui vai ser bom, hein? Mina de atordoamento. Use-a para criar armadilhas e neutralizar grupos de inimigos próximos. Caraca, mano, isso aqui vai ser bom, hein? Quando tiver um grupo de inimigos. Ah, eu gostei. Valeu, K.
No time to waste, Q. I have somewhere to be.
Of course, you should be on your way. Bridget will complete your mission prep. You can pick up your service pistol from Waters at the shooting range.
Okay. Thanks, Q.
Bond, here we have the dart phone, smoke pods, flash mine, and laser strap. Your maximum loadout is 2, in addition to your new watch. According to Thayer, you should expect hostile terrain with a relative humidity below 25%, and to encounter organized and motivated opposition.
Motivated? Oh, I'll show them motivated.
Eu tenho que escolher os dispositivos para a missão, mas antes...
All I'm saying is there was no need to risk that many bodies on the ground. Half a dozen drones tasked for surveillance and countermeasures would have caught the killers in the car park.
From what I hear... that's very interesting, Gerald. Maybe an asynchronous rotor timing would improve maneuverability?
What? I didn't say anything about... Oh.
Carrinho para dispositivo. Ah, vou escolher o bracelete laser, que é novo, né? Ah, o bracelete esse. Deixa eu ver. E a mina de atordoamento. O que podemos mais levar de item? Ah, deixa eu ver. A mina de atordoamento. Celular de dardos. Cápsula de fumaça. É bom. Sempre ajuda. Ah, só pode levar 3 itens no máximo, né? Eu tô com os itens cheios, né? Não dá pra levar mais aqui, ó. tá bloqueado, né? Não posso levar mais desses.
I think that'll do. Thanks, Bridget.
You're welcome, Bond. Bring everything back in one piece, if you can.
009 knows Greenway, he knows MI6, but he doesn't know you, Bond. That's your advantage.
I intend to.
Is that?
Ó, não... Tem mais um dispositivo aqui, galera. Eu ia colocar, mas tá bloqueado. Como que eu faço pra desbloquear isso aqui? Deixa eu ver o negócio. Deixa eu ver o negócio, galera. Calma aí. Ah, não dá pra desbloquear não. Vamos embora.
Just want you to know we're here for you if you need anything.
If you need anything, we're here for you.
Que isso, assemblar de hoje, do Time Set Title. A matéria do primeiro página fala sobre o suposto atentado terrorista comandado no Tchau Tchadli, na Eslováquia. Olha, saiu até notícia do acontecimento. Na Eslováquia. A filha do secretário Bridge, uma das feridas, está se recuperando numa clínica particular em Hempstead.
At least Cressida's in good hands.
Ah, a Crescilda, ela tá internada, né, aqui é da comissão que acabamos de fazer. Será que agora eu posso ter uma arma?
Of course, the .32 caliber doesn't have the stopping power of a 9mm, but you don't always need to blow someone's head clean off.
Waters, You have a package for me.
Right, you are. One MI6 standard issue service
padrão no MI6. Então eu preciso de... Oh, agora eu vou ter uma pistola, minha primeira pistola. Licença para matar. Oh, a música.
Now we're talking.
Oh, agora sim.
The range is there whenever you need it. Blow off steam, get your eye in, whatever.
Vou localizar os acermos, né? Vamos treinar uns tiros.
That's almost took my finger off.
The neurotoxin in its tip is so powerful, losing a finger would be the least of your worries.
Slovakia sounded like a nightmare.
Slovakia sounded like a nightmare.
E você vai estar indo pra uma missão? Que isso? Convite do baile de gala. Um convite para o baile de gala do aniversário de 125 anos da indústria web da WBA em Kingston.
Looks swanky.
I mean, who bombs a chess tournament?
A sore loser?
Mate, that's not even funny. Hold the lift.
Espera segundo, quem que é que tá?
Ignore Gerald. He's an idiot. The rest of us heard about what happened, and that you're going back out there. Some of us would love to be going with you. I've applied for field training myself. Anyway, we just wanted you to know that we're behind you, all the way.
Thanks.
Total apoio, obrigado. Eu vou ir atrás da vingança do meu amigo, Moro. Atrás de seus irmãos.
We don't do those anymore. This time we do.
Is there any need for a follow-up
site inspection? Doubt it's worth the risk.
Yes, I understand that. I can guarantee those consequences if you don't act. This has higher priority.
Oopsie.
My fault. Didn't mean to. Hello, Basil.
Olá,
Mr.
Basil.
Bond. Good to have you back in one piece. Don't worry, Mr. Greenway has already signed off on the damages.
Damages.
One standard issue earpiece destroyed, one special edition Q watch missing in action, and one custom tailored two-piece chauffeur's outfit ruined. Does that sum it up?
Don't forget the hat.
Plus one hat.
Christ's sake, Basil.
We all play our modest part, Mr. Bond. Mine is keeping the lights on.
Just warming up, Basil.
Obrigado, Basil.
How was the leadership course? Any good?
Tá indo pra Mauritânia, né? Fazer uma missão lá.
But with all of this, I was excused. Good riddance.
Yes, I do realize it's been very intense in Slovakia, but that's no excuse.
I wasn't making excuses. I was merely explaining the delay.
I added a full
the Saudi?
dynamic
Iron Grip and their own narrative.
Better be prepared
Whitlock
for
did
all
feed some of his
eventualities.
sources nuggets that we
Good idea.
slowly gaining traction.
Thanks.
Anything we can do to support that?
Yes, we have several editions.
Composição facial. Um esboço do desenho de dois gêmeos loiros. É o 009, né? Responsáveis por um bombardeio na Eslováquia. Criado a partir da descrição de Bond. Eles são idênticos como Nico e Tera Murto. Tubro assassino de Tampere, Finlândia. Vamos ver esse item que a gente coletou. Entendi. Legados. Tem muitas coisas que a gente acha em cada capítulo, né?
Me again. I got
Off
the
you
ball
go.
rolling.
You've finished it.
Yep. On to the next one.
I want updates every half hour. What's the estimate for closing? Do better.
We don't do those anymore. This time we do.
Hey, didn't expect to see you back in here already.
Surprise.
Listen, about Slovakia, the team, I'm really sorry.
Thanks.
Good people.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for saying something.
Anytime. If there's anything you need, well, don't be afraid to ask.
Não hesite em pedir.
After tragic chess championship explosion, Slovakian opposition accuses government of neglecting safety inspections after budget cuts.
Politicians never disappoint when it comes to public outrage. Even when the reason for it is pure fantasy coming from our office.
This one's good. 3 historical sites destroyed in freak accidents on the same day. Timing suggests that the global events could be connected.
Not even one of ours. Spurious correlation is a social media darling. They pop up on their own and the ball starts rolling.
Right, sorry. Stroll outside.
I have to get this done first.
What's your take on the full Slovakia?
That's rude, you know?
I'm just trying to get through.
It's not completely done yet. Field's running the last.
How did it go? That bad. Facts are facts. Shouting doesn't change that.
Does the attachment have all projection data is one thing. That's about 22 pages.
God, no. Just link the result to the archives.
I looked everywhere.
I want the
can't
full
find
write-up
guest list for the
yesterday.
East Wing.
I'll have a look. Just a sec.
Clearly.
Thanks.
Even got an appointment.
Anything yet?
Nothing.
She's still in place and fully activated. This may end up in our favor. Dock's off limit for a spell, though. But we already got what we needed, so...
Aqui é a sala do andar dos escritórios mais simples. Vamos...
And the other one? I'll be compiling that today. I'll set up a meeting now.
Agent Roth. Talk about a French exit.
Monte Penny. Ah, vocês apagaram a luz, né? Não querem ser identificados.
What a day.
Yeah.
I've been on the post-mission debrief reports. You know what kills me?
What's that?
Bastard made it personal. And we haven't greenlit to take that order. I mean, I'm sure it's coming, it has to be. Everyone wants a piece of him off to Slovakia. Even the lunch ladies want to carve him up.
Now there's an idea. Right, better go see Moneypenny.
Eu não posso vir aqui, não? Oh, o jogo não deixa, ó.
I should be getting my mission briefing from Moneypenny.
A Moneypenny vai nos excluir da missão. Ordem de serviço. A ordem de serviço para o funeral dos recrutas. Monroe fez uma linda recitação de poema de Hop Rose Stevers.
Pretty tense out there.
A diplomatic crisis will do that. Today was rough. How are you holding up?
You needed to show me something.
E aí, Penny?
Who's the lady?
Quem é a senhora?
You don't recognize
Você não
Agent Roth?
conhece a Agente Roth?
I believe you shared an Aston Martin.
Aston
Charlotte
Martin.
Annabelle
Charlotte
Roth,
Annabelle
Senior
Roth,
Operational
oficial de
Officer at the
operações
DGSE
da
headquarters in Paris.
You can't be serious.
Está
We
falando sério?
chatted. Nice lady.
Vai se aposentar ano que vem, vai
Retires
passar
next
mais
year to
tempo com os
spend time
netos.
with her grandchildren.
A Charlotte é a mulher que nós
woman,
conhecemos, então.
That's
Quem
what
é a
I'd like
mulher?
to
É o que
find
eu
out.
gostaria de descobrir. Quem são os gêmeos loiros?
Any match on the blonde twins?
Nico and Tara
Nico e Tara
Murta,
Murta.
assassin duo from Tampere, Finland.
Vilântia.
Highly adept at unarmed
Muitos
combat,
adeptos ao combate em arma,
improvisation, and social
improvisação e
infiltration.
infiltração social.
These are
São
ruthless
agentes implacáveis,
operators, James.
assassinos
Ice cold
sanguinários.
killers.
I know.
Eu sei, eu estava lá.
I was there. Any news on Ronson?
They'll be keeping her in an artificial coma until the brain swelling is under control. She's not out of the woods yet, but doctors are cautiously optimistic.
And that?
Gone to grounds. Didn't even report him for debrief. He'll resurface once he's ready, but if he doesn't want to be found, I strongly suspect we won't.
Did you manage to ID the marks I fought at the airfield?
We did. They're all independent contractors. Usual suspects from the global PMC circuit. They'll work for anybody with a thick enough wallet. 009 was just their latest employer.
And they're lost. Ready for that mission brief? What you got for me?
Come, let's have a look. Not going to lie, you have got your work cut out for you. Greenway. Perfect timing. 009. After he escaped Slovakia, we tracked Bond's watch to a field outside of the Syrian village, Jad al-Uthman, where the unregistered cargo plane was abandoned. A wide day sweep picked up his trail 36 hours later in the Turkish province of Şanlıurfa. From here, he embarked on a complex route, eventually bringing him to Egypt, where we lost his trail for good. However, despite significant effort being put into obscuring transport payments, Thea managed to pin two of the chartered private jets to the pirate king Bawma. Yes, you heard me right. Pirate king.
What do we have on this Bawma?
Abducted by militants at the age of 10 along with his little sister. Trained as a child soldier until age 12 when Bawma turned on his captors, killing 5 and escaping. Spent half a decade looking for his sister, to no avail. At age 17, he entered the world of piracy. For the next 2 decades, he rose like a shooting star, turning random endeavors into a well-organized international business empire, all culminating in Mauritania, when he claimed a ship graveyard as his kingdom.
Aleph. That's the main black market hub on the African continent. Major League Weapons Bazaar, if I'm not mistaken.
Indeed, and with the clientele to match. Aleph is a cesspool of military and PMC personnel, rubbing shoulders with rebel groups and criminal organizations alike.
How does all that connect to 009?
That's the thing. It doesn't. Which is probably why he managed to stay invisible for more than a decade. However, with the new intel, things are starting to line up. And considering the amount put up to facilitate 009's escape, we have reason to believe that he is part of Wagner's inner circle. Aleph is most likely where he's been hiding all along. Go to Aleph. Find 009 and bring him back. Everything depends on your success. No pressure.
Rise and shine. We're almost there.
I said, wake me when we get to Aleph.
when we're almost at Aleph.
Not a morning person, are we?
Just drive.
Deixa a gente continuar aqui. Olha só onde nós estamos. Ah, o jogo volta e não deixa você. Olha como que o jogo é sacana, um parede não existe. Nós estamos na Mauritânia. Aleph, onde que é Aleph? Deixa eu ver. Pera aí, galera, deixa eu ver um negócio.
We're not getting any younger here.
Relax. All in good time.
Essa missão nós tá indo com o John Crumway pra ir atrás do Bawma. A missão principal é isso, então foi nos dada a instrução.
Not that way.
Fair point.
O John Crumway é o nosso instrutor, né? Dá pra sair do
Mind if I pop the radio on?
Why?
Blend in.
You don't need a radio to do that.
Right. No, that's where the eye patches and the wooden legs are for.
O John Crumway ainda tá hardcore com a gente. A relação dos dois ainda não tá sendo amigável ainda. Aleph, cara, olha só! Cemitério de barcos. Mauritânia, né? Qual o nome da missão? Ó, a roupa que o bonde nós estamos, ó. Da hora. Ah, o passado nunca morre.
How do you want to play this once we're inside?
009 is bound to be paranoid. That makes him dangerous. He's expecting us to make a move after Slovakia.
Or if not us, somebody else.
Correct. He'll be ready, so must we. But to answer your question, once we get inside, we need to get some FaceTime with Bawma. He's the one who'll lead us to 009.
Precisamos falar com o Bawma, a missão principal é essa. Chegamos na Mauritânia, em Aleph, que fala, né? Aqui. Aleph, que chama o território, né?
Not getting past that.
Take a right.
And if Bawma isn't an option,
I'll let you know.
I know you don't want me here. And I know what you think of me.
You do.
Insufferable, immature. Ring any bells?
So you were listening back at It's the first time for everything, hey Bond?
Ah, o Ponte tá falando aqui pro John Crumway que eu não gosto, se você não gosta de mim, fala que eu sou irresponsável, imaduro, mas infelizmente a gente tem que fazer essa missão juntos, né? A gente é obrigado. E realmente, então, uma hora que essa missão, depois dessa, a conciliação e relacionamento dos dois esteja melhor, né? Nossa, tem que tomar cuidado com a pedra aqui. apagar o farol, não? E se eu ficar quieto, o que que acontece? Vamos ver se o John Green falar alguma coisa. Não fala nada. Oh, chegamos! O passado nunca morre. Mauritânia. Oh. Engraçado. Tem muitos carros aqui. O John Green não fala nada, tá observando.
You owe me a chance. Why? If I hadn't followed my hunch back in Slovakia, more people would have died. We both know that. So stop trying to cut me off at the knees every chance you get.
I'll think about it.
Vou pensar no caso, olha lá, o John Green. Qual é, John Green? Dá uma chance pro John aí. Pode ser tão duro com ele. Se não fosse você, estariam todos mortos.
Take us back to Aleph.
Just mucking about.
Tem que ir para o Aleph, o jogo não deixa.
Wrong way.
Quero conhecer aqui.
Just keeping you on your toes.
You're going the wrong way. When you're ready, Bond.
Right. Zoned out for a moment.
Tô zoando você. Um cemitério de barcos, né? Olha que lugar grande. Opa, chegamos.
Over there.
Gents, heads up. Bawma's heli is inbound.
Copy that, Moneypenny. Heading inside.
Stop touching your ear.
What?
I said. Stop touching your bloody ear.
وجدته سليما عند عودتي فسأداعي فول مثل لفلة.
Yes, boss.
أستبعد تماما أن يرجع إلى هنا مجددا.
I'll explore later. Well, this place never changes. I'll explore later.
Então, nosso localizar quem é
I'll explore later. I see them, and they see us.
That makes sense.
Got a small selection of deals going on such as forward.
And pull yourself together and get here now!
But not to. That's why they are going very cheap. Remember, what ammo is extra?
I know that.
Nossa, cara, um cemitério de barco enorme. Nossa, o Aleph. Nós estamos na Mauritânia. Olha só.
Used him before. Something's off. We need someone to talk to the dealer so that we don't get too tough.
You know that, not us. Not all business.
Well, maybe you are for paying the men half up front. That's how this works.
Impressive. What kind of security can we expect? We'll have eyes on us, no doubt. Locals, dealers, Bawma's men. Try not to draw attention to yourself. Me? Never.
I might join you. It's hotter than hell in this place today. Worse than yesterday. Hell has shade. This here is not personal. Just made it.
Nós estamos dentro de barco. Olha só!
Out the way.
Sai da frente, garotão.
Launchers, assault rifles, pistols, all ready. Hey, over here. Good steel, very clean triggers. No serials either. Great prices, everything tested and working. Guaranteed. Launchers, assault rifles, pistols, all ready to move. I'll make you a good deal.
Hey, bolt action custom barrel. That thing punches to armor like it's paper. If you're after something with more kick, you'll need to hit the auction. I hear they have some nice toys left behind by NATO. Anything you need, I have. For a nice price.
Another time, maybe.
Suit yourself.
Whatever you need to start a war or end the conversation, I have right here. Great prices, everything tested and working. Guaranteed.
Após estacionarem o Land Rover, Bond e Ray entram no coração de Aleph, o bazar de armas, para encontrar informações sobre o paradeiro do 009.
There's Greenway.
Launchers, assault rifles, pistols, all ready to move. I'll make you a good deal. Over here. Ammo
You need meds? Whatever you want, I have here. Or I can get you for you. I have pills for pain, energy, sleep, or even the best kinds of dreams. Whatever you need, I have or can get. Don't be shy. Come and buy. Blues, reds, yellows, whatever mood you're in, I have a color to match. Goes with blue or feel the rush with red. Come on over. Pick your color and your trim.
Uma vasta seleção de comprimidos que proporciona uma variedade igualmente ampla de altas e baixas.
Not for me, thanks.
Handsome, come back and see me if you change your mind. Pills, powders, and protein. All pharma-grade stuff with no side effects. Well, mostly one bite of milk is on your chest.
Tobacco's clean. The cigars are very real. No sawdust, tea leaves, or asbestos. The sweet aromatic blend is undeniable, yes? How about a Grand Cubana? Cuban leaf, rolled tight. Just fire it up and breathe it in. They just came in today. Just sold my first pack a few minutes ago.
Tempting, but no.
Tight
Come over here. The goat's meat is fresh.
Nicotine gold over here. Packs, rolls, and pipes. Come on over and feed your habits. Smoke like a king, die forever.
You deaf, tourist. We said move.
Easy. Not looking for trouble.
Well, you found it, asshole. Get him.
They must have been the undercard.
Ah, eu ativei minha arma, ajudou, ó. Viu? Os idiotas.
Over here. And how's not drawing attention to yourself working out?
You started it.
Look, it's this way.
Vou chamar a atenção.
What?
Come on over, sir. I can dress you like you want to city.
Tá bom, cara. É, cigar.
Come over and try something on. Trainers, ladders, silks.
Friend in every city?
Just name your
Then come over here and pick up. I know what you need.
Eu sei uma carteira de personagem pré-carregada eletrônica. Uma coleção de eletrônicos.
All you do
Por
is
trás
press
e
in
destruir
and it
carteiras
steals while you smile. Click and collect, my
Aqui é
friend.
tudo aqui no
No way
destino,
of the
né, cara?
future. Oh, don't take too long to decide, brother. I'm a busy man.
Trainers,
Not today.
ladders, silks. Just name your look and I can help you create it. Come on over, sir. I can dress you like you want.
From baby monitor to battlefield tech, I stock it all. Signal is clear.
Come over and try something on.
Burners, no burners over here. For when you need to call your mistress, not your wife. I have got you covered. Hey, over here. Phones, SIMs, scramblers. No names. And definitely no questions. Come on, over here. Have a look.
Got Indian chai, English breakfast, mountain cat, Somali leaves. I sell it all. Come on over and taste a little. Come over. Tea for the body, tea for the soul. One cup the other will open doors. Need to relax, wake up, or maybe leave the planet. I've got a cup for all of you. You look like you haven't slept right in weeks. I have something for when those nights won't let go. Calms the blood, dulls the noise.
Thanks, but my body's a temple. One that doesn't serve mystery teas.
English, eh?
How about a classic blend? I bring it in especially for a friend of mine here in
Aleph
Aleph.
é comércio grande, né? De tipo uma banca que
Just browsing.
Aleph aqui é uma banca grande que tem de tudo, né?
Teas! I've got teas that can
Mauritânia.
and teas that wake you up. Got Indian
What
chai,
are you looking
English
at?
breakfast, mountain cat, Somali leaves. I sell it all. Come on over and taste a little. Come over. Tea for the body, tea for the soul. One cup.
Clearly a people person.
Might
School race. Road PMC outfit. Those boys? Bad news.
Helicopters.
Esses caras têm problema.
Yeah. Whatever is worth to go with the pot to. I had a better.
chamar a atenção
Must be special if they brought it in before night. Nobody does that here unless they're nervous about something. Or unless it's something they don't want us seeing.
Tem armas aí, cara? Nossa, tem de tudo aqui.
My bad.
Wow!
So this is Aleph,
cesspool of the Sahara.
I don't put that in the guidebook.
We're in the Lion's Den, Bond. Everyone here is a threat, so watch your back. Bond, up there.
Ali em cima. People de Aleph, me escutem. Nós dependemos de vocês, comerciantes de coração da cidade.
The beating heart of this city.
All
we have asked in exchange for your protection and a place at our table is but a small token of appreciation. Tariq here does not agree with that sentiment. He believes he should not have to pay his share. And for that, he must be punished.
Esse cara aí é o que nós estamos procurando, como chama?
Tells me there's a
É o Bawma.
A girl.
É o Bawma, esse aí que nós estamos procurando, o Bawma, né?
She needs medication. Expensive kind. That is where his contributions went. Our protection is for the care of everyone in our great city of steel and sand. Is it not? Men, women, and the children. What kind of monsters would we be if we denied this child the care she requires? What kind of man would he be if he did not fight for her care? He would be no kind of man at all. Let it be known that while in the bosom of Aleph, the child shall want for nothing from this moment on.
Paradise.
Problemas no paraíso.
Well, you know what they say about paradise, Bond.
Cuidado com as cobras.
Watch out for the snakes.
É, cuidado com as cobras.
After watching that performance, I think it's clear Ali is our man. Shouldn't take too much to twist his arm.
Let's go twist it.
O que a gente tem que fazer agora? Diga no e-mail. Vai ter uma conversa direta com o Bawma?
I know this is your first time, but try not to wander off. Let's get out of this heat.
I know some people don't agree with his methods, but say what you want about him. He really keeps this place together.
Absolutely. When he speaks, the people listen. And they think twice before doing something stupid. Because they know if they're caught, they'll wind up on the end of the blade.
Vai ter uma conversa com ele. Ele é o líder daqui, tem que tomar cuidado com o que eu vou falar. Tem uma consultoria com Bawma. Eu acho que elas são um dos primeiros negócios da missão. Arrancar informações dele.
That's a lot of work, but not impossible. I think we need a much larger solar field, a lot of satellite uplinks, and a decent relay power just for signal.
Go and have a word with Bawma's men. Try and get us an audience with Ali.
Vale pro Marcate Ali.
Aleph wasn't like this.
Qual a nossa primeira missão? Fale com Balcal ali. Encontre uma forma de falar com Marcate ali.
Before it took over from you. Unfortunately for us, protection costs more.
He wasn't stealing from us or from Ali.
Já começou.
2%. It's killing me. You're not the only one, but everyone is feeling it. It's making it really hard for us to live.
And yes, I've seen it. They're running power through it with their generators. Hopes and dreams. It's messy, but it works.
O lugar é grande aqui, hein, mano?
Fortunately for us, protection costs more than the ones that own it. I know. Eyes up taxes. 2%. You're not the only one. Stories that talk.
Here for the auction? Yes, invitation and 100k.
Not a cheap date, are you? What do I need 100 grand for?
Best timer? Of course you are. It gets you through the door and into the auction.
I'll be back.
I am sure you will.
How'd that go?
How do you think it went?
Well, you're still in one piece, so better than I expected.
It's an auction. We're not getting inside or near Bakard Ali without an invite and $100,000.
Of course.
How do you want to play this?
Muito bom, eu não fui direto ao assunto, eu persuadi. Não pode falar logo a verdade. Senão daria a entregar ali a missão.
So, I'll work the invites, you source the cash.
How am I supposed to find 100 grand out here in the desert?
Oh, I don't know. Luck, charm. Isn't that how you've gotten things done in the past?
Yes, sir.
Mind yourself.
Fique atento. Eu pensei de conseguir $100 mil. Caraca, mano, como que eu vou conseguir $100 mil?
Need to get into that auction.
Hey, watch it.
Tem que descer aqui, né?
Money Penny, I need $100,000.
You know I can't do that, James.
Looks like I'm getting my hands dirty then.
Eu tenho que conseguir $100 mil. Nossa, uma feira enorme.
Fresh parts straight from the pile-up on the autobahn. Need extra horsepower, you've come to the right place. Come, take a look at the collection of auto parts or Oxford. Hey.
O que temos aqui? Vigias podem ser identificados por um ícone especial sobre eles.
I think it's alright.
Vanilla, strong, silent, or semi-automatic, I stock it all.
me?
Do you accept digital assets? I almost bit my tongue off trying not to laugh when she clenched her fist and started to
is right here. Come and try before it's all gone.
Bye, hey you, tourist. Your lucky streak starts here.
Original copies of your favorite shoe brands for great prices right here.
O que temos aqui? Sapatos. Sapatos sim. Marra e falsificado. Estilo, tamanho.
And I'll even throw in a fake receipt to impress your friends.
O que temos aqui? Poster, Jaya de Charrade, 1.500 para participar. Jogo do copo. Consiga o valor da entrada do leilão, a joia de Jahari. Explore para encontrar mais oportunidades. Adivinhe o copo correto e ganhe a joia. A bancada de alvos nos barcos ganha 30 mil dólares. Estante de tiro.
You only fancy shot.
Pera aí, galera, já volto. Tinha oportunidade de ganhar dinheiro. Vamos continuar explorando aqui.
Hey, you. Come here.
Or maybe one for the stock, but adds another for the third one. Yes.
After something to help me out.
Don't do that here, okay?
Because I have just
What Chibujen made here with his precious fish. Plenty of love.
Hey, tourist! Don't play coy. Come on over. I won't bite. Yet.
I need to make some money.
Don't we? And if it's money you need to make in Aleph, you've come to the right place. I'm Nirmala. What do you want to know?
Anything out here worth chasing?
Had someone come by earlier trying to buy weapons. Wanted to pay in crypto. Told him to get lost. Crypto's only good for the auction. It's useless out in the market.
Know where I can find them?
Saw him over by the electronics pushers earlier. Just go through the tunnel right behind you to get to it. You'll find him somewhere around there.
Got anything else for me?
Keep your eyes open and your ears sharp, handsome. This place is full of opportunities. Especially if you're willing to take a few risks.
Thanks.
See you again, handsome. Alright, who's next? Got something you need to get rid of in a hurry? Nirmala can take it off your hands. I buy guilt and sell regret. So let's make a deal.
Remember, what ammo is extra those fun. Wanna try?
No, never seen anyone fight like that.
Vou jogar o jogo dos copos.
Hey, tourist! Over here! Come on, people, don't be shy. Step up and give a dance game a try.
All right. But what's the catch?
No catch. Just guess correctly and win this, Jahari. What many people consider to be one of the most prized jewels here in Aleph. Trust me, you walk away with this, your life changes forever, my friend.
Is that so?
It's the truth. And all you have to do is guess correctly.
I'll pass.
Step up and try it again. Win once, you walk away rich. Lose once, well, just try again.
Hey, you! Over here.
Tem luta livre aqui, ó.
Hey, come here.
Let me go ahead and guess. You want to sell me something, right?
Wrong. The arena's inside. Good money to be made from the fights, if you know who to back.
And you do?
Yeah. Shal. They call him the Hammer in there. Trust me on that one.
Thanks for the tip. One round couldn't hurt. Much.
A joia de Jawar. Com criptomoeda, jogo do copo, a arena de luta, estante de tiro.
You look like someone on a mission. I have just the gun for that.
Uma coleção de fuzis de assalto em condições variadas.
Ah, looking for something to go with that fancy shirt of yours. I think I have just the thing. The Osato 8 SMG. Fresh shipment. Just came in today.
I'm good. Brought my own. And it does the job.
Then you should go see Basil at the shooting gallery. Try your hand at winning some of that big prize money. Just follow the weapon stalls and you'll find them right behind me. Tell them Yero said.
Maybe I will. Thanks, Yero.
Good luck, tourist. Hey, I've got something over here that belongs...
Arena de luta, lugar em Aleph, onde é possível ganhar dinheiro. Comprador com criptomoedas.
In your grip? No, not that. I'm talking about guns. Guns to match that.
I told you, you will get your money as soon as I have it. Things are tight, not just for you, for everyone. Ali's raised taxes again. He's crippling us.
Absolutely nothing. It's a fake. It has to be.
Now he's dead.
We're finishing up our business today. When it's done,
250? Have you lost your mind?
Come
Look
on.
at that thing.
Step up and try your luck at winning the cash.
All right, give me the spiel.
No spiel here, my friend. Just you, that gun, and a big pile of cash.
Opa, stand de
All you
tiro,
have
vou
to do
participar.
is hit all the targets.
Jogar.
Let's go.
Eu não tenho nem dinheiro pra isso, cara.
I'm good for now.
Win respect and Basim's big prize. Become famous. You know what they say? Real men don't cry out in Aleph.
Hey, my friend, over here. You need a gun. Best prices in the market.
Brought my own. Thanks.
They say money can't buy respect. But let me tell you, that's a lie. Because out here in Aleph, respect's all the recall.
He didn't even try to plead with Bawma.
Come try his best to put the end in Aleph before it's gone.
And he accepted his fate.
I turned away. I couldn't bring myself to watch. All I kept thinking of was that poor child.
Doing something she shouldn't have been doing on the dock. To make a bit of a mess. Good day, Mrs. He has a predilection for high escorts, and we have photos, dates, and wire transfers at every.
Did you see how active Stone was? He's pulling a lot of money.
Yeah. Every time
That's right.
Because if we go home empty-handed, he will kill us. That's why.
I thought speakers with bass so deep it shakes your ancestors.
We'll figure something out. Where there's a will, there's a way, right? Zora, you told me the deal was locked in place. You said you could secure the weapons for the cause with the money on the crypto wallet. Now you're telling me it's a no-go. We don't have hard currency. You knew that. No, don't try again. It'll make us look weak. I need to call Andrew. He's got contacts out here. Maybe we can find a way to convert that crypto to cash in a hurry. Just sit tight and wait for my call. And do not let that wallet out of your sight.
Moneypenny, I need you to track a phone for me. I'm looking at the caller right now.
You'll need to hack the phone first. Then I'll be able to look onto the signal.
I can do that.
Use o relógio K para hackear o celular.
I stopped speakers with bass so deep it shakes your ancestors.
Yeah, it's me. Listen, they're not biting. The locals won't touch crypto, and we don't have 100 grand, let alone an invite, to get us into that auction. Yolandi said they looked at her like she was holding monopoly money when she showed them the drive. They want cash, Andrew, period. Do you know how hard it was to get that together? It took me a year to skim it off the pension, plus 10% of it to have it fed through 4 wallets to make sure it was clean. Do you know how much of a ball ache that was for me to get something like that done?
You cannot come this way.
Yeah, no problem.
No signal.
Get away from this chap.
Get closer.
Relax. I'm leaving. What am I missing here?
Honestly, you can't write the shit. I'm walking
Get
around here
closer.
surrounded
The
by
signal's dropping.
shoulder-fired rockets and enough explosives to level a city or flip a small government.
I don't have signal.
Sorry, passing
Get
through.
closer.
I'm telling you, they're not biting. What I'm asking you is,
There's no signal.
do you have any contact?
Move closer.
Just passing through.
To real-world money in a hurry. Okay.
Stupid waste of time.
Thanks.
Got a lock on that signal. Pinging the location of the caller to your Q watch.
You're a star.
I know.
Better.
Always nice to be reminded.
Hey!
Carteira cripto. Ah, agora sim, ó. Vamos localizar. Use o relógio K para encontrar a pessoa que ligou.
Tourist! I've got pistols, rifles, semi-automatics, silenced.
Mantenha a ligação.
Hey, you are 3 seconds from serious asking.
Ah, vou rastrear a
Not getting
ligação.
past you. Ever. Noted.
What are you doing?
Mostra o iPhone de eu fico falsificado em meio a vários bonecos eletrônicos.
VPN, SSD, but no STDs. We speak all the digital languages out there.
Want a speaker louder than your mother-in-law? Come talk to me.
Do we? Are you really
Little overdressed for this place.
Hold on. You're telling me it's $100 for a cup of coffee?
Yes, Kopi Luwak. The finest coffee here in Aleph. Very rare and very smooth.
I didn't ask for the finest coffee in Aleph. I just asked for a coffee.
You pointed to it, you ordered it, I brewed it, now you pay me.
I'm not paying $100 for cat shit coffee. I don't care how good it tastes.
Civet, not cat, there's a difference.
Not $100 difference.
Listen, lady, settle the bit. Is that...
I see.
I'll be putting this to better use than you would anyway.
Here.
Crypto wallet. Any chance you can crack it?
No. Signal's too weak. Unless...
I guess it's fine now.
Listen, satellite images show a makeshift cell tower nearby. If you can find that tower and get close enough to it, I should be able to get in.
On it.
Come see me. I've got a man.
Where's the Lord Aleph?
Squire marksman rifle.
Oh, stop. Hey, tourist, come on over here and try and win Basim's big, beautiful cash prize. Not going back up there. They're completely insane.
I told you not to get involved with them. They pulled a gun on me just because I sunk the winning shot. They don't like to be beaten.
I know that now.
They shot Ken in the leg last week just because they lost.
Oh, that explains why I saw him limping in my pocket.
Taking out the Bawma.
You should see this place, Moneypenny. They've turned a shipwreck into an apartment complex. I've never seen anything like it.
Bawma's an ambitious man.
Clearly. This is prime beachfront real estate.
Vamos lá.
Come on. This is impossible to fix. That idiot sell me a gun with instructions in Russian. I cannot understand a word of this. So much for getting in and out.
When that bitch caught me, I knew things were going to get messy. Her face when I shot a dog. Never had someone scream so loud.
That can wait.
Puder chamar a atenção.
My eyes! Everything's white! Heads up!
What is that? Is that a man down? Right here!
Oh boy.
Must be me.
Ah, tá fácil. ficando perigoso aqui, hein? Peraí.
I have eyes on the relay tower. Making my way up to it now.
Okay. Keep me posted.
Five AKs, a couple of PKMs, an RPG with 3 rounds, 4 SAR-80. Five AKs, a couple of PKMs, an RPG with 3 rounds, 4 SAR-80s, and 6 Docker FTT-33s. If we leave a fight tomorrow morning, we should wind up with a spot around about noon. That's when we hit it.
Do we have any idea what sort of defenses they have?
Water cannons, and they'll be armed too, so wear your vests.
What about Ismail? Is he coming with us? We could really use him on this.
I'm working on this, man. I'll keep you posted. Just be ready to set sail at dawn.
Deixa eu pegar o inimigo aqui, ó.
Stop trying to hit me and hit somebody. Make coming. We've got another down here. We need help. Send them down.
Out of the way. I will take him.
Got it. Put that pig down. Where are you going? I'll get you. Something is happening. Need to find it.
What?
Ah, esse relógio é bom, hein? Ah, tava pra derrubar isso aqui, ó, como que eu sou idiota. Ah, carteira física de criptomoedas. Eu tô rastreando esse aqui. Eu quero dinheiro.
I'm guessing whatever it is you're up to over there is related to the expense account you called me about.
That's right. I need what's on this wallet.
For what, exactly?
Funding international terrorism, of course.
Just be careful, James.
Torre de comunicação. Tô quase chegando lá. Bruto, alguns dos combatentes corpo a corpo mais fortes e perigosos, capazes de defender a maioria dos golpes.
Energy pipelines. Looks like Bawma wants to enhance Aleph's infrastructure.
Quer melhorar a infraestrutura da Aleph. Plantas e uma extensa rede de cantas-usos para transportar energia até Aleph. Documento da infraestrutura.
That's where I need to go. The cell tower.
A torre de comunicação ali.
This seems smart. Jump. Just jump. Easy does it. Easy does it.
Calma aí, Bond.
Gravity's just a suggestion. At the tower.
Perfect. Stay where you are.
Yeah. Not going anywhere.
I'm in. Disabled the password on the wallet, so you shouldn't have any trouble accessing the 50 grand on there.
Thanks, Moneypenny.
Obrigado, Penny. Ah, $50 mil.
Still not enough money to get into the auction.
Vocês conseguiram ainda mais.
Piece of cake. Afternoon, ladies. This wouldn't be the way to the Copacabana, would it? I'll take that as a no.
Tem mulheres aqui, ó.
What? Don't mind me. Just dropping in.
Bond, how are we doing? Any closer to getting us in that auction?
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm getting into crypto.
I don't want to know. Just call me when you have the money.
Oh, so you lived at the gym, eh? That's very cute, toys. Come on over here and lift this storm. Ah, changed your mind. You ready to try and win the big cash prize?
I'll play.
All right, here we go. Remember, we need to hit all the targets.
The Englishman's on fire!
See you do that twice. Very nice shot. Targets over that way, tourist. No shame in missing, my friend. You could always try again if you wanted. Pig.
You should have seen the size of it. That rock was
Out of the way,
as big as
please.
my fist. I'm not kidding.
Hey, watch it.
Come on, you know you want.
Let's give it another go.
All right. You know the rules. Guess the cup correctly and walk away with the jewel of Jahari.
Let's do this. Middle cut.
Ah! The next time, eh?
Você tá roubando, meu amigo.
You won't find any tricks here. Just fast hands and fair play. Hey you, tourist. Your lucky streak starts here.
Buy from me today.
Come and taste the best ramen.
Yalla, yalla, come, come, come.
Come for the biscuit and stay for the pistachio ice cream.
Sorry, I need to get by.
Hey, tourists. I can tell by that look in your eye.
Where is Bond? Anyway.
Inside, second floor.
Any word from the buyer?
No. He's supposed to call Forstead on the burner when he's in the container yard. You listened to him during the briefing earlier.
Mate, I was at the pit watching the hammer do his thing.
Moneypenny, I need you to run a Thayer sweep for me on a PMC outfit called Scorpius. I need to know why they're in town.
What are you up to?
Just pulling at the string.
You can't come this way.
Of course. I've got to find a way to fool this lad.
Don't do that here, okay?
Thank you very much.
Like you are in paradise when it's hotter than hell.
Norwegian skate, gilt-head free fall, still twitching. That's how you know how fresh the fish here is.
They say money can't buy respect. But let me tell you, that's a lie. Out here in the lake, respect stuff real. Let's talk, man.
Let's give it another go.
All right then. You know the drill. Put on the targets, and the money is yours.
Line them up again, Basim.
Gladly. I'm really going to enjoy these. Can't do that again. These are just warm-up shots. Maybe next time.
Nice shot.
Enough luck. Lucky shot. Do that again.
That's a clean shot. That looks impressive.
Very nice shot. Filthy tourist. You think I hand anything over to you?
Basim, pay him.
Regras são regras, Basim.
I was about to. Here. Take it.
It really is one big, beautiful prize. Gentlemen.
Regras são regras, eu ganhei.
Not bad, James. Not bad at all.
Eu ganhei o dinheiro, ó.
Just a little short of pretending I belong in that auction.
Você não queria me entregar o dinheiro, né? Safado.
How much does he owe you?
10 grand. I'll clear it once the Afrikaan's been taken care of.
If Sadler finds out...
Eu ganhei dinheiro, massa de dinheiro. E ganhei uma carteira física que fica moeda. Vejo mais grana pra entrar lá.
Amir's solid. But keeps his mouth shut because we have a good thing going.
Not anymore.
He'll come round. Always does. We've been here before. Anyway, you should get back and help the rest.
Hey, you over there.
Arena de luta, um lugar Aleph, onde é possível ganhar dinheiro. Precisa de 100 mil dólares. Olha, eles acham.
Enough! Special prices today. Finest explosives in Aleph. Come and see for yourself.
Because there's nowhere all the shit to go. It just sits there baking in steel buckets under the Yes, I'm up 5. I love this place. Drinks are on me tonight.
Eu quero ver onde é o clube de luta, pera aí. Precisa ganhar mais dinheiro.
Whale shark, Atlantic bluefin tuna and sailfish, all scaled and gutted.
Knives are for cowards, I tell you. Can't hear me? I'll grab a man's gun, like a Squire marksman rifle, or the storm turret.
Deixa eu ver um negócio aqui, galera.
Pig.
My friend, watch yourself.
How rude.
Just got a fresh arms last night.
Hey, were you racing a barn?
Dial it down, will you?
How was I supposed to know he was going up against the hammer?
We are in big trouble here.
I know. We need a fighter. There has to be someone we can put in there. Are you sure he can't fight?
He's a mess. He spent the night knocking back Deme's homemade brew. And we all know that stuff's only good for degreasing engines.
What do we do?
I need a drink. I think better on whiskey.
Encontre uma forma de ganhar dinheiro na arena de luta.
What do you want?
I want to fight.
You look like you couldn't fight your way out of a wet paper bag.
Just point me in the direction of the bag.
Funny. Ha. Look, if you want to fight, you need to talk to the boss. If Yasin says I can put you in, then I will put you in. He's at the bar.
Top man. I'll go and have a word. Mind yourself.
You didn't have to kill my friend. Tariq wasn't a threat to him or anyone here in Aleph. He was a good man. He didn't deserve to die like that. Bawma needed to prove a point, so he made Tariq.
Vamos lutar então aqui. Esconderijo de Scorpions. Estande de tiro. Arena de luta.
An example. I spit on Bawma.
are done.
Please, put me in. I need the money. I can fight.
You need a shower and a breath mint. What do you want?
I hear you're shy of fighter. Think I can help you out?
Don't make me laugh. Get lost.
Pick any fighter here. When I beat him, you put me in the ring.
You got balls, kid. All right, it's your funeral. Omar, over here. Now, try this one on for size. And no holding back. You hear me?
Let's go. Let me teach you. I'm going to crack your skull.
Tem que aprender a lutar, cara. Ai, carrega logo o jogo.
You didn't have to kill my friend. What I told you.
We are done.
Please,
what do you want?
I hear you're shy of fighter. Think I can help you out?
Don't make me laugh. Get lost.
Pick any fighter here. When I beat him, you put me in the ring.
Balls, kid. All right, it's your funeral. Omar, over here. Now, try this one on for size. And no holding back. You hear me?
Let's go. You're done, pretty boy. I will feed your bones to my dogs. Is this how you fight?
Thanks for the warm-up, Omar.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Omar, when you are done bleeding, take the rest of the day off. You, follow me.
Você treinar, rapaz. Aqui é James Bond, mano. Aqui o negócio é o seguinte, mano. Aqui eu vou botar pra porrada, meu irmão. Aqui é o negócio seguinte, mano.
In the ring.
Tem o meu treinador agora?
I'll be honest. I thought Omar was going to split you into two.
So did he.
You took him apart. Where did you learn to fight like
aprendeu a lutar assim? Ah, rapaz, eu sou bom, hein? Aparar, desviar. Vamos ver. Cobre carregado. B para parar ataques.
Boy Scouts, you know how it is.
Malik, put the kid in.
Really? Are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure. Trust me.
Taught that paper bag a lesson, didn't I?
Alright, this is how it plays out in the pit. You knock your opponents down hard enough so they don't get back up. And walk out of here with your winnings. That's it. You ready to fight?
Always, friend.
We're not friends. Get in the ring.
Yeah, and here was me thinking we had something.
Essa Bawma! Ganhei! Put your hands together for the show! Luta de Clandestina.
You again. You're either brave or stupid. My money is on stupid.
Let's do it.
Put your hands together for the show!
Tomorrow if you want to make more. We could use a good pair of fists like yours around here.
Stranger things have happened.
Oh,
Greenway, I have the money.
Make your way to the auction entrance so we can pay up and get inside.
Bro,
consegui até a mais o
that
dinheiro.
was insane. You wrecked those guys. Like total surgical violence back there. Like, I mean it. You really kicked some serious ass.
Glad someone was entertained.
kill my friend. Tariq wasn't a threat to him or anyone here in Aleph.
What's it like there?
You've been to Camden Market?
Of course.
Well, it's absolutely nothing like that.
You smart ass.
The man left a little girl without a father. It's not right. There's a line. And I think Bawma just crossed it.
Mind yourself.
He crossed that line a long time ago. Killing Tariq was nothing. Careful what you say next. Eyes and ears on us. Yeah, as I was saying, it was only the second jump. I'm heading over there to get my money.
You cost me a lot of money. Hand over the cash.
Can we speed this along? I'm late for a meeting.
No! Get him! Come here, skinny rat. One more hit, he's down. My turn.
Estou atrasado, obrigado. Ah, baderneiro.
Don't get out, boys. I'll see myself out.
Querem mais treta, rapazes? Tem que aprender a lutar, ainda me defender, né? Ferro. Não sabe lutar, hein?
Those are my prizes.
Let's get inside and find our lead.
Finalmente temos dinheiro.
You took your time.
Got a little tied up mingling with the locals.
Pay the man bond.
Here we are. Cash and crypto.
Bawma thanks you for your contribution. Go on through.
Fix it, or I'll start pulling pieces off you.
You want it done right or fast? I'm one wire away from blowing everything up.
Demorou aí, né? Mas conseguiu o dinheiro. É. Bonde, Greenway precisa encontrar uma forma de entrar no... Greenway diz que vai arranjar os convites necessários e deixar Bonde para explorar o bazar e descobrir como ganhar dinheiro suficiente para cobrir a taxa de entrada de $100 mil.
Just the difference between music on or your brains on the wall.
I'm a DJ, not a magician. Stop pointing that gun at me.
Follow me, please.
Sígame, por favor.
Quite the operation your boss has here.
Whatever your needs, my friend, we have it. If you want, we can help you overthrow a small country for the right price, of course.
Pagamento justo, claro. Piloto, onde é necessário. Ah. Nossa, ele é um mercenário de... É um mercenário que faz contrabandos, que é assim, derrubar avião, o cara tá falando aqui. É um terreno perigoso, né?
What would you look at that? My kind of trouble.
She certainly is. Jaguar Type 00. Part of Bawma's special collection.
A new model in a room full of relics. Ring any bells, Greenway?
Keep talking like that. You might wind up buried out here.
Worth it.
Nossa, carro, quanta coisa. Ó!
Through here.
Tá, eu vou roubar esses carros, eu acho.
You'd think a place like this would have been shut down by now.
Control the chaos, control the flow, Bond. Keep Bawma in play, you always have eyes on the game.
Mantenha Bawma no jogo. Calma aí, galera, a gente vai conversar com o homem aqui, Bawma. Já vou voltar. Vamos lá, voltamos.
Bond, over here.
Bond, por aqui.
Take a look at those markings.
Serbian. You weren't kidding when you said Bawma's connections ran deep.
That's why MI6 continues to let him operate. Here we go.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Have a seat and get comfortable so we can begin the auction. While some of you have been here before, I see some fresh faces amongst our buyers. So, humor me while I go over our simple...
É o Ali, né? Compras, leilão, né? Ah.
Strict rules. 1. All bids must pass through the polygraph. 2. Should you fail the polygraph, you will be removed from the auction and forbidden to enter Aleph again.
Well, at least we know what the polygraph is for.
Lastly, bids are bound by blood. There are no retractions. Now, a quick technical trial. Place your hand on the polygraph machine in front of you. The truth, if you please, Miss Pakhan.
मुझे उस आदमी से घृणा है। बस उसे कह दो मुझे ड्रोन चाहिए।
Your turn, Mr. Konyevich.
I am Nikola Konyevich.
Good. Mr. Leung, if you please.
Zhang Leung. I represent the Three Storms clan.
And now to one of our newer faces. Go ahead, please, Mr.
Easy now.
James will do. and I'm thrilled to be here.
Dial it down.
Excellent. Now that we've gotten the formalities out of the way, we begin with an opening bid from our new guests. Gentlemen, the bid is yours.
Lay down.
$3 million US.
A cash bid. I'm afraid this isn't that kind of auction, my friend. You have forfeited your opening position, and the bid is now free.
Safe passage to, from, and through all of our harbors. No inspections, no questions. Complete and utter diplomatic coverage. Plus, a private jet with armed escort for Bawma.
For the rest of his life.
Now that is a real bid. Anyone care to counter Miss Bahan's offer?
Safe passage is useful, but only temporary. I offer permanence. My organization will help fund and implement the next stage of infrastructure in Aleph.
A thrilling prospect indeed. Anyone care to raise the stakes? 2 offers on the table.
Going to have to tilt the table.
Anyone care to beat them?
Sabotage the next offer.
You read my mind.
I offer the next election in Mauritania. The ruling seat will be delivered and gift-wrapped. I also offer 4 European Union ambassadors, all of which have been compromised, of course.
Well, that hasn't happened in quite some time.
What is this? Something's wrong with this thing.
Mr. Leung, I'm very surprised. You may leave now.
Time to go, Mr. Leung.
Watch this! You're doing it,
Eu só botei lá no Sr. Leung. Ah, que da hora, mano.
Mr. Leung, you are making a scene. We are done.
You have no idea what you're doing. We will not accept this. There will be consequences.
Can't do that again.
Apologies for Mr. Leung's transgression. Sometimes emotions do tend to run high when the stakes are raised. Would anyone else care to make a bid? Going once.
How's your chance?
Going twice. Anyone?
Bond.
2 long-distance missile strikes. Coordinates provided to us by sunrise, packages delivered by sunset. To anywhere on the planet.
Now that is what I call a wonderful offer. The floor remains open, though the bar has certainly been raised. Surely someone has something to offer.
From this day forward, every weapon used by my soldiers, be it a rifle, drone, or artillery, will come only from the hands of Bawma. An exclusive contract with unlimited volume.
I like it. Going once? Going twice?
We're out of time. Do something to beat his offer, or
3 decades of MI6 intel.
What?
Always do the unexpected, right?
Interesting. How do you propose delivering this intelligence?
By giving you him.
It would appear the honeymoon is over. 1 TX-1000 Marauder drone sold to the boldest,
comprador da sala,
newest buyer in the room.
Eu improvisei, né? Eu improvisei. Arquivo.
Bond, I swear to.
Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your stay here in Aleph. And you two gentlemen.
Bond, eu juro que... Olha o Conway, cara do... Eu prometi entregar arquivos no MI6.
Please, join me over here, if you will.
Bond, eu juro que...
Congratulations on your purchase, gentlemen. One of my men will be with you shortly to settle the bill.
The Englishman. Where is he?
You'll need to be a little more specific than that.
The ex-spy Bawma's hiding.
que o Bawma está escondendo.
Where is he?
Cadê ele?
Look around.
Aqui você não manda em nada.
You have no power here.
That man murdered 3 of our agents in cold blood. Bawma broke the rules.
Bawma quebrou as regras.
He's
Acabou
finished.
seu rei, vai perder
Your
a coroa.
king's reign is over.
Seu rei vai perder a coroa.
Nice try.
Boa tentativa.
Pay attention, Picard. You only have one choice to make
Você tem
here.
uma chance.
You can stay with Bawma,
Podemos ficar do
but
lado
you'll
do
go
Bawma
down
e
with
ficar
him and
vendo
you'll
nós
watch as we
transformarmos
turn this
esse
whole
lugar em
place to
poeira.
dust.
Ou Greenway, ou pode
You
assumir
could
o
take the
trono.
throne.
Boa
And our
proposta.
superiors will
Nossos
continue to
superiores
turn
vão
a blind
continuar
eye to
E não
all
tem
that
nada
goes on
acontecendo aqui.
here.
Bawma quebrou as regras. Boa
Or
jogada.
don't you want to
Greenway.
be king?
Ou pode não ser, quer ser rei. E aí? Ah, uma proposta
Throw in
interessante.
box seats at the
Aquele no
menu and
cavalo
we
do
have a
estádio
deal.
do Manchester e a gente compra.
Stretford End?
Arquibancada
Best
é o
we
melhor
can
que eu
do.
posso fazer.
We both know that's not true.
Fine.
Muito bem, fechado.
Done.
Yes!
Well,
Parece que você tem mesmo.
it appears you have some sway after all. You coming?
Ah, você vem?
See that crane?
What about it?
Underneath you'll find a boat.
Embaixo dele você
A
encontrará
gift
barco,
from
presente
Bawma when
do
he
Bawma,
first
quando
arrived.
ele chegou aqui, muito.
A small slice of
Você me
English
permite
civility
dizer,
here in the
pedaço
middle of the
de cidade
desert.
inglesa aqui no meio do deserto. É lá
That's
que
where
você
you'll find
encontrará
your
seu
friend.
amigo.
How do we get to it?
By boat. Follow me this way, gentlemen.
Galera, o negócio é o seguinte. Eu vou continuar ir para o menu principal. Eu vou continuar na próxima missão para continuar aqui em Mauritânia, né? A gente, eu acho que já tá no meio da missão. Eu vou continuar na próxima parte, beleza? Então eu peço mais uma vez vocês deixarem o like. Não vai custar nada. Foi legal hoje explorar Aleph e oportunidade de negócio, ganhar o leilão. E a gente então vai se encontrar com o Bawma porque ele quebrou as regras. E esse ali alguma coisa vai substituir o lugar. Qual é a ligação dele? Tem ligações fortes e fluentes com fornecimento de armas e coisas com o 009. Então a gente, na próxima parte, a gente vai continuar de onde parou, beleza? Peço mais uma vez vocês deixarem o like. Não custa nada participarem da comunidade Discord, quem tiver aí, muito importante, galera. E a pessoa que estiver vendo pela Twitch, meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Cruz, Gameplay, beleza? Então é isso aí, um forte abraço, a gente se vê na próxima parte 007 First Light. Valeu, vou nessa. Fui.